County in northwest.
We got another SVR. Oh my god.
Southern Warren County in northwest.
Oh my god.
Northwestern Somerset County.
Dude, what the heck? It literally says observe. It literally says observe. The hell?
Eastern Pennsylvania.
Yeah, it says observe.
Eastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m.
Oh my god, bro. Dude, what the heck? Jesus Lord. God damn, bro. What the heck? Got the red LED. Dude, what the heck? Oh my god.
At 7:55 p.m., half-dollar-sized hail was reported in Whitehall Township,
Yeah, baby.
Pennsylvania.
Let's go.
Intact.
Why are you not going out?
Vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs,
Dude, what the heck?
trees, and power lines is possible.
Oh my god.
Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton.
Dude, what the hell is happening? Oh my god.
Wilson, Bedminster, Wharton,
Jesus Lord.
Nazareth, Mendham, Flemington, and
Oh my
Hennepin.
god.
This includes the following highways: Northeast
Jesus
extension between mile markers
Lord.
42 and 55. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 56 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 25. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building.
Why is
Stay
this
away
not
from
going
windows.
off? Like literally.
In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately.
Dude, what the heck?
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Oh my god, bro.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for southwestern
Oh
Warren,
my God.
eastern Lehigh, northwestern Bucks, south central Monroe, and Northampton counties. At 7:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nazareth to near Steubenton. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m.
Dude, what
for
the heck?
southwestern Warren, southeastern Lehigh, northwestern Bucks, and Northampton counties. At 8:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
Wait, what?
along a line extending from near Roxbury.
Oh my god.